Alright, it has been too many weeks since I've posted a video. But we're at a new location, as you can tell. Oh, and I already see a car over there. But we're like 20 minutes early, so. They're coming in now. Oh yeah, and also thank you guys for getting my recent video when Gabe showed up to the meet. Thank you guys for getting it to like 400 and something views. It's probably not gonna happen again because, anyways. Oh, that's a supercharged Audi. I heard it. I'm telling you, that's supercharged. I told you it was supercharged. I missed the downshift. And there's a Mustang coming in. Ooh. Listen to that supercharger though. There you go. Ooh, we got the ACR. Oh, never mind. We don't got the ACR. We do got the ACR. Well, we'll see you later. Is that a Skyline? And it is. ACR. We've already seen this one though. Talk about thumbnail. That's the thumbnail of today's video. Look at how cool the back end looks on that. That is cool. I totally did not see this GTR right here. carbon hood. Carbon hood. That's cool. Is that like a K20 Civic? Probably, maybe. It sounded like a K20. I mean, you could have done better, but... Oh, yeah. Mother. Oh, snap. Alright, well that's gonna end today's video. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you maybe next Tuesday, hopefully. Yeah, bye.